3, 2, go!
If you like this video, be sure to crush that like and subscribe button like a monster truck.
What is going on, guys? Today we've got an awesome freestyle event. We're gonna have Spin Master Monster Jam Monster Trucks versus the Hot Wheels Monster Trucks in an awesome Skittles freestyle event. Check it out. And Mason's gonna be driving the monster trucks.
Yeah!
Woo! All right, Mason, here's the freestyle event rules. Once the freestyle clock's about to run out, you will hear this. And that means you got time for one more stunt. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Let's do this. All right, which truck do you want first?
Boneshaker!
Boneshaker? All right, we've got Boneshaker up first, taking on the Skittles freestyle course. Ready, set, go! Over the crush cars. Look at Boneshaker go big time there. Whoa, nice flip by Boneshaker. Look at that air. Whoa! Boneshaker gets some donuts in. Check him out. Big time backflip. He took out the Monster Jam sign. Whoa, what a run for Boneshaker. Look at him go. Boneshaker's having a great run. Over the crash cars. Whoa, what a awesome stunt. You got time for one more stunt. Oh, and he finishes it off with a nice backflip. What a run for Boneshaker. All right, Mason, who do you want next?
Megalodon!
Megalodon. Check it out. We've got Megalodon up next to take on the Skittles course. 3, 2, go! Look at Megalodon go! Big time backflip by Megalodon. Another backflip over the crush cars. Megalodon's having an awesome run. He's catching some serious air. Look at him go. Whoa, what another backflip. He's scoring some big time points. Oh, he almost lost control there. Megalodon's having a great run. Another nice backflip. Huge air. Oh, he's popping a nice wheelie. Check out Megalodon go. Woo, this is an awesome run. Check it out. Whoa. One more stunt. Oh, and he's doing a backwards wheelie. Check it out. What a run for Megalodon. All right, Mason, what monster truck next?
Roger Dodger!
Roger Dodger. Here's Roger Dodger looking ready to go over the Skittles course. 3, 2, go! And here goes Roger Dodger. Roger Dodger's having a fast run. Look at him go. Over the crush cars. What a backflip. Roger Dodger's having an awesome run. Whoa, he almost wrecked. That was close. Whoa, and Roger Dodger crashes out. Whoa, what a wreck. That was a short run for Roger Dodger. What do you think of that run, Mason?
That was crazy, and someone over there.
All right, Mason, who's up next?
Zombie!
Yeah, Zombie. Check out Zombie. You ready, Mason? 3, 2, go. Look at Zombie go. Big time air by Zombie. Over the crush cars. we go, big time air. Whoa! This is one amazing run for Zombies, getting him some donuts in. Check it out. Huge backflip. Whoa, a backwards backflip. That was awesome. Time for one more stunt. Whoa, and that was a nice front flip by Zombie. What'd you think of that run, Mason?
Awesome.
That was awesome. Check it out, the Monster Jam pit crew is straightening the track up for our next run. They gotta get the track set for the next truck. They're moving the Skittles and putting them in the proper places they need to go. And we'll be ready for our next run. All right, Mason, who's up next?
Sriracha.
The Sriracha truck? Let's get him. Check it out. Here's the Sriracha truck. He's looking ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Whoa, look at him go. Big time backflip out the Sriracha truck. Oh, he almost crashed, but he was able to recover over the crushed cars. Look at Sriracha go. Oh, he's spinning. Now he almost lost control. He's doing a front wheelie spin. Check it out. Whoa, huge backflip. Sriracha's having a great run. Woo, this is awesome. Look at him go. Big time air. Oh, he's crushing the Monster Jam sign. Oh, and a big time crash by the Sriracha truck. That was a great run, though. What'd you think of that run, Mason?
That was epic.
Sure was. Now they're flipping the Sriracha truck over. The Monster Jam pit crew is right on it. They're fixing the Monster Jam sign. All right, Mason, who's up next?
Grave Digger.
Grave Digger. All right, check it out. Here's Grave Digger ready to go.
3, 2.
Go. Look at Grave Digger go. Starting off with a huge backflip over the crushed cars.
I guess he want to win the trophy.
He's wanting to win that trophy. Whoa, what a run he's having so far. Grave Digger is, whoa. Grave Digger's having a great run. Awesome backflip. Look at them awesome donuts. Some more donuts. Awesome, another awesome backflip. This is a great run for Grave Digger. Whoa. Time for one more big stunt. And it's a huge backflip. Whoa, what a run by Grave Digger. All right, here's all the trucks, and Mason's about to pick the winner. All right, Mason, which monster truck won the Skittles Freestyle?
Grave Digger and Zombie.
Whoa, 2 trucks won it. Grave Digger and Zombie, it's a tie. They get victory Skittles?
Yeah.
Awesome. Oh, now we got a huge battle in the freestyle arena. Check it out. All right, guys, that's all for today. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.
Here's 2 more of our awesome videos. All you gotta do is click on one. Which one are you gonna choose?